In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Notion with Smartsheet step by step using Make.com. This is perfect if you want to automatically sync data, update rows, manage tasks, or connect your Notion databases with Smartsheet without any coding. This workflow can save you hours of manual work and is great for project managers, operations teams, and anyone using Notion and Smartsheet together. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software automation and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Make.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Make dashboard where all your scenarios live. This is where we're going to build the automation that connects Notion with Smartsheet. Next, on the dashboard, click on Create Scenario. This opens the Visual Scenario Builder, which lets you connect different apps together using triggers and actions. Think of a scenario as an automated workflow that runs whenever something happens in one app. Now, in the Scenario Builder, click the big plus icon to add your first module. In the search bar, type Notion. You'll see the Notion app appear in the list. Click on Notion, and then click Add to select it as your first module. This module will usually act as the trigger, meaning it decides when the automation should run. For example, you might choose a trigger like when a new database item is created, or when a page is updated. After selecting the Notion module, Make will ask you to connect your Notion account. Follow the prompts to sign in and grant access. Make sure you select the correct workspace and database so the scenario can read the data you want to send to Smartsheet. Once Notion is connected, it's time to add Smartsheet. Click the plus icon again to add another module. In the search bar, type Smartsheet. When Smartsheet appears, click on it to add it to your scenario. This module will usually be the action, such as creating a new row, updating an existing row, or adding data to a sheet. Just like with Notion, you'll need to connect your Smartsheet account. Sign in, authorize Make, and then choose the sheet you want to work with. After that, you can map fields from Notion, like task name, status, due date, or assignee, directly into the corresponding columns in Smartsheet. Take a moment to carefully map each field. This step is important because it ensures the data flows correctly between Notion and Smartsheet. Once everything is mapped, click OK to save the module. Now your basic integration is set up. Before turning it on, click Run Once to test the scenario. This lets you confirm that data from Notion is successfully sent to Smartsheet. If everything looks good, switch the scenario to On so it runs automatically in the background. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Notion with Smartsheet using Make.com. From now on, your data will sync automatically based on the trigger you selected. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.